Intermittent fasting is the practice of occasionally going for extended periods without eating. Intermittent fasting is not new. Humans have fasted for most of human history, whether it's during the typical overnight period, during more extended periods of food scarcity, or for religious reasons. What is new is that clinical research on intermittent fasting's benefits for health and longevity is beginning to catch up. Current data shows that intermittent fasting, when done properly, might help extend life, regulate blood glucose, control blood lipids, manage body weight, gain or maintain lean mass, and more. However, while intermittent fasting sounds very promising as a general ideology, things get messy when it comes to putting intermittent fasting into practice. How often should you fast? For how long? Should you eat 0 calories? Should you eat the same amount of food on non-fasting days than you normally would, or should you eat more? These are all questions that have no answers yet. So many intermittent fasting proponents have come up with their own best guesses, from alternate day fasting to once per week fasting to daily 16-hour fasts in which you are fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. The scientific community is a good 10 years away from knowing which intermittent fasting protocols are the best. So, until then, experiment with different intermittent fasting protocols and see which one makes you feel your best.